Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we are changing balance springs for the windows. One of the reasons we need to change the balance springs, I'm going to show you the one that works correctly. You open the window at any height and it stays like this. That means everythEverything is correct. However, the next window I have doesn't stay open at any length. Also, these windows in a regular house like this and a setup like this is an egress. In case of fire, you need to open it and exit. If you have to hold it, that means you can't exit it. In order to find out what kind of balance springs you need to pry open the window. Make sure it's not falling on you. You can see the little hook. You just grab it with the pliers or a screwdriver and bring it down. Next thing, we're going to go up, use the drill and remove the screw. Using needle nose pliers, just take it out. See, this one is completely broken and fell apart. Normally, when you don't know what size is your springs, you just take one out, measure the length of this tube and the diameter. Now we're gonna take the new one. They come with the color coded. The red is a middle range, the black is for big windows. We're using the red for this kind of window. Next thing we're going to do is insert this. Here. Now we're going to use this tool, grab it from outside and turn it clockwise, about 10 times. And you can already see with the one spring that works, it's already stays up. Now we're gonna do the same on the other side. Grab the new one. You gotta grab it from outside, because if you grab it from this side, once it's in place, it's impossible to remove the hook. So we're grabbing it from outside and widen it about 10 to 15 times. Operation check. Going nice and smooth. All the way down, all the way up. All the tools and materials we're going to try to put in the link below. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. This is how you change the counterbalance springs in your windows. Please subscribe to our channel.